Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve Grumpy bookstore owner. The problem states there is a bookstore owner that has a store open for n minutes. Every minute some number of customers enter the store. You are given an integer array customer of length n, where customer I is the number of customer that enters the store at the start of the IF minute, and all of those customers leave at the end of that minute. So we're also given a Grumpy array, which is a binary. We check binary values. It's either 1 when the store owner is grumpy during the IF minute, or 0 otherwise. When the store owner is grumpy, the customers of that minute are not satisfied, otherwise they are. The bookstore owner knows a secret technique to keep themselves not grumpy for minutes, consecutive minutes, that can be only used once. Return the maximum number of customers that can be satisfied throughout the day. So here the catch is we have to use slide window. That's the algorithm that will help us to solve this problem. Since we can see minute is given, so the side of the window will be minute, and we'll have to find the maximum unsatisfied, or in the window that has the maximum unsatisfied customer. Then we'll use that window. We use the secret technique on that window, since it can only be used once. So let's see it. So let's see an elaboration of it. Here I've taken this example 1. So the size minute will be 3. So the size of the window is 3. Here in the problem statement, I've given minutes as 3. So the window size will be 3. So it will start from 0 to n minus 3 minus 1, or minutes minus 1. So in this case, we'll only, for the first window, we'll only consider when the owner is grumpy. So this value is the one in red. The one in red will be considered. So here, so current is the current value, so it is 0, and base is the maximum between current and him, so it is 0, 2. Then for the second window, which is this one, we have 1, so it's 0 plus 2. For current, 0 plus 3 is 2, so the maximum is 2. The maximum between 0 and 2 is 2. And for Windows 3, which is this one, we have 2, so current is 2, maximum between 2 and 2 is 2. Then we go for Windows 4, and we have 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So current is 3. Maximum between 2 and 3 is 3. Then we go for Windows 5. So remember, we only consider when the owner is grumpy, which is given by a 1 for the grumpy R. So it is 1. For current is 1. Maximum between 3 and 1 is 3. So base remain unchanged. For Windows 6, we have 1 here. The owner is grumpy here, and also in 5 is grumpy, so it will be 6 for current, and the maximum between 3 and 6 is 6. Now since this is 6, the best will always give at the end the maximum unsatisfied number of people, so that will be, and we haven't considered when it's 0, when the owner is not grumpy. For that we need to also consider that. So the values for that will be base sorry for my handwriting, plus sum when the value of grumpy is 0, so it's 1 plus 1 plus 1 again plus 7, this value since 0 is 7. So that is 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8 9 plus 7 is 16. So it is, this one is 10. The number of satisfied customer when the owner is not grumpy is 10, and using the secret, the maximum number of unsatisfied customer we can satisfy using the technique will be 6. So it makes sense, 16. As we can see in the answer here is 16. So using this algorithm we can solve the problem. Okay, let's code it now. So we'll define, let's say right, that will be equal to minute. Well, it's not necessary, you can just use minutes, so base and equal to current, which is equal to the summation of grumpy I times customer I for I in range of mean. For I in the range of meaning. There is no mistake, no typos. Okay. Now while right is less than customer amount of customer. Now how will be, we're going to remove the customer, the windows you already passed, so that will be right minus minutes. That will give us, remove the customer we already checked, times grumpy right minus minus minute. In this case, if you pass a windows, let's say this one, in this case we have this windows, this windows, this windows. So if you are at this windows, you already passed this windows, you don't need to consider this windows. That's why you are doing right minus minutes from the current value, so you are removing it. And we'll add now. Alright, so customer right times 20. Remember, I'm multiplying it, so if it's 0, then it's 0, doesn't change. So the owner is not doing things, the value of current won't change. So it will only be affected when the owner is doing things. So we know best, we said before, the max between this and then we'll increment the window size by 1. And we return summation of 1 minus 20 20i times customer I for I in range line of customers, and then you just have to add best, or let's explain it in explanation. So let's check. It is no typos. So the time complexity of this should be O of n. There is 1 minutes notifying O. So the time complexity of this should be O of n, and the space complexity should be so let's make it and see. And the space complexity also should be O of 1. That's it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See ya.